There's no way you can go through your life and not be affected by cancer in some way. Singapore has the highest life expectancy at 83.5, which means we need you. We're going to need oncologists, we're going to need nurses, we're going to need psychologists, we're going to need pharmacists.
Our goals for today really is for us to appreciate the many facets of a career in oncology in a large academic medical center, as well as to appreciate how our work in cancer research and education translates to then directly impact patient care.
Take this opportunity to really broaden your perspective and understand about how cancer is treated, how advances of cancer is there, as you try to see how this may shape your thinking about what you may want to do in life, as well in your career.
We cure cancer, yes, but what kind of people are we returning to the society? Are they able to return to their fullest potential ever? Or are we actually just keeping them alive?
A lot of young people get cancer, and how do they deal with it? And the biggest thing that we can help them is getting back to their lives, being successful. And now we can do that because we recognize it doesn't take much, but those tools have to be in place.
Clinical trials are absolutely essential for discovering and developing new cancer therapies. Participating in trials allows our patients to access cutting-edge therapy which cannot be available through standard of care. But when I do a clinical trial, what I do impacts globally the patients who have the same sort of cancers. That's the patient in front of me, right? So your impact on science, your impact on the field is much greater than just beyond that patient, one patient that's in front of you.
So when we see a patient being treated well, having a baby after chemotherapy, for example, they are cured of their cancer, or a patient's family member thanking you for taking care of their loved one despite them passing on from cancer, or you're in the lab making a great discovery, I think those are the moments that really justify all the hard work. And the take home basically is that to get into this field, I think you really must have the heart to want to care for somebody. You must have the continued effort, right, to put in all the knowledge, gain new knowledge to help the patients.
Doctoring has never lost its human touch and should not lose its human touch, because at the end of the day, when you are sick, you will want a human to be caring for you. And that's what a lot of us have gone into medicine for.
We really do work together, whether it's caring for patients or doing research. It really is a team effort. And these are some of the nurses that I work with who I couldn't function without. So cancer care is that kind of specialty work. You need to be with this team. But what's amazing is it makes it way more fun. That makes it so rewarding.